Hi student, how are you? Okay, today we'll discuss real GDP and nominal GDP and GDP welfare. So the concept of GDP we'll discuss real GDP, nominal GDP and GDP deflator. See, this is a graph. Okay, I have prepared it. In quarter one financial year 2020, real GDP growth falls at 5% slowest in 25 quarters. 25 in quarters. Nominal GDP growth lowest in new GDP series. Red graph indicated nominal GDP and black real GDP. This is the points of the decreasing of GDP, and this is in x-axis year, the financial year given year. So we'll discuss one by one. This is nominal GDP. Nominal GDP is the total value of all the final goods and services that an economy produces during a given year, measured on the basis of current price. A student, current price means your nominal price, and nominal GDP means your current GDP rate. The nominal GDP is measured on the basis of current price. Okay, so you have to recollect the current GDP is measured on the basis of current price. Nominal values of GDP from different time periods can differ due to change in quantities of goods and services and or changes in general price levels. See here, nominal values of GDP from different time time to time due to change in quantity of goods and services. Definitely the quantity of goods and services will change in a different time period, in different timeline. There is no doubt. In this case, change in general price, it is also change in general price. If the quantity of goods and services will change, so definitely there is a chances to change in general price level also. So nominal GDP would also change even though output remain constant. Nominal GDP, when not only the nominal GDP will change from time to time or general price, it will also change when the output remain constant. So now you will know the formula how to calculate the nominal GDP. Here nominal GDP equal to real GDP into price index upon 100. Due to some slide problem, this is here and here and there and here. So exact formula is here. I'm repeatedly saying it. Real GDP into price index upon 100. Once again, real GDP, nominal GDP equal to real GDP multiplied by price index upon 100, and simply nominal GDP will be occur due to quantity multiplied by price. So nominal GDP is here quantity into price, quantity into price, Q equal to here quantity of final goods and services produced during an accounting year, price prevailing during the accounting year, and price index, it is different between the price of two different periods. If there is no inflation or deflation, nominal GDP will the same as real GDP. See here, you have to recall this thing. This is the price index. First you have to recall price index, it is different between the price of two different periods, and like your nominal and real, and if there is no inflation or deflation, when in the market the inflation and deflation will not occur, nominal GDP will the same as real GDP. Then next slide, this is your real GDP in second. The real GDP is the total value of all the final goods and services that an economy produced during a given year, measured on the basis of prices. So real GDP means this is the base year or GDP or the base period, or okay, this is like 2011-12 government is now considered as a base year, and according to the year of 2011-12 GDP counting by the government of India. So real GDP is the total value of all final goods and services that an economy produced during a given year, measured on the basis of base year, only base year. It is calculated using the price of selected base year, like we have selected 2011 and 12. GDP is calculated on the basis of fixed price in some year. So this is also GDP calculated on the basis of fixed price in some year. To find out the real GDP, a base year is chosen when the general price level is normal. Example, it is neither too high nor too low. That should be measured, or in equilibrium level. If prices change from one period to the next but actual output does not, real GDP would be remain the same. So real GDP reflects change in real production. Real GDP, here the formula is real GDP. GDP at current price means nominal GDP. Real GDP at current price upon price index into 100 is the formula of real GDP. You see and recall it, then you find out the numerical solution or the problems. In normal real GDP, this is happened due to quantity into constant price. So here price index means it is different between the price of two different period, what already I have said. Q means quantity of final goods and services produced during an accounting year, and P means price prevailing during the base year. Real GDP, here the price into constant price already we have discussed. Real GDP increases only when Q increases. Okay.